Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Sorry. Hey gang, Poppy here in the computer room. I've been evicted from the living room, although on special occasions I can take a computer out there and record. But my wife got tired of me squatting in the living room and more YouTube related hardware. So my big easy chair is gone. Her big easy chair, well, it had to go so her mobility chair could park in the living room. A futon is in the corner where my chair was. And it's too low, too hard, la la la, you know. So my comfortable place to sit in the house disappeared. If she even thinks about touching my bed, no jury in the world will convict. None. Okay, like I said, this is Poppy in the computer room. A little tip for you people out there with USB cables: color code the top. Put your device there, bring the cord in, very carefully plug it in. Whatever is up is up. If it's a black cable, white or yellow. If it's a white or creamy colored, black. Clear, black. Okay? Color code them. You don't want to try and jam that in upside down and your antique laptop, the only one who works with all your stuff, now doesn't have its USB port. One of them only had one. Color code your USB cables. You see this hub? You see the color coding on the cable? I'm serious. Color code the plugs on your USB cables. You see this little dot of white here? That's the up. The cable for it's over here. You can't see it, but it's been color coded for its two ups. Are color coded so that those nasty, embarrassing, and expensive boo-boos trying to plug it in upside down don't happen. You're welcome. Put it to good use.